how to stabilize video in VN Video Editor. So if you want to stabilize video in VN Video Editor, then what you need to do is just open up the VN Video Editor application. Once you open it up, now you need to go with the new project, or you can also go with the existing project. So I'll be choosing new project. After that, choose a video. Once you've choose the video, you can proceed and you'll get this kind of interface, right? So in the VN Video Editor, we don't have a stabilize option, but in order to that, or you'll have another option, which is speed. On the bottom, you will have the speed option. Tap on speed and then go with the custom. And under custom, you can simply make that video slow. Once you make that video slow, then it will be stabilized in the VN Video Editor. That's the only way to stabilize your video in your VN Video Editor. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.